Hello everybody, my name is Alex, also known as Ray, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today, and it is Sunday, so what I've decided to do is that Sundays will be dedicated to our female artists, alright? Female groups, you know. We listen to a lot of male bands, and I like the switch up to be able to listen to the female ones too, because they have some good music, like Dreamcatcher, and ITZY was really good last time as well. So today, we've got BABYMONSTER, Forever music video and a live performance, so let's get into it. And as you can see here, I did update. I've got a top 5. We've only reacted to 5 songs. Obviously we had the whole Dreamcatcher album, and then we had the Wanna Be by ITZY, so we gotta add to it, so let's get into it. Alright, BABYMONSTER Forever. Okay.
I got no worries on my mind. 난 멈추지 않아. So you can say goodbye.
Beat's already good.
Fulfill my fantasy, and you can watch and see. 박수 내 쳐보지. Push up. They say she looking flawless. I know.
She is looking flawless, man.
She's so like don't like anybody. 여기 저기 자 너니 가나 따라 마바사가지. Gotta go, so say la vie. I'm dancing.
Ooh, whoa, before we get into what sounds like maybe a chorus, she came out of nowhere. I know nothing about this band. This is another brand new one. I don't know any of the members, so please enlighten me if you'd like to. Let me know who they are and what to expect from them. So far, this is really good. I like this. I like it a lot.
Push up. They say she looking flawless. I know. She's so like don't like anybody. 여기 저기 자 너니 가나 따라 마바사가지. Gotta go, so say la vie. I'm dancing in the moonlight.
Her voice is pretty.
Can't stop this feeling tonight. What you waiting for?
Oof, what? What? That high pitch? Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, you thought. Ooh, I like her in the background.
Okay, you know what it is. I'm the nice. 먹고 같은 너와 내 차이. Pull up on me, pay the price.
Hold on. What is happening? What is happening? we go like normal sounding music at the beginning, and then she comes in with the rap, and then it slows down, gets some high pitched melody, and now we're just full rap? What? I gotta go back. Sorry guys, sorry. I have to. It sounds so good.
Okay, you know what it is. I'm the nice. 먹고 같은 너와 내 차이. Pull up on me, pay the price. Put a million on rock my type. Never seen it in your life. Yeah, 뭐 그러니까 바빠 아니 나빠. 온 세상 누리는 bad girl. BABYMON. Get money. Body 발끝까지 rhythm touch 기분 짜릿짜릿. Everybody get down. Rough up with the motor running.
Okay.
Something best, you put the money in the bag. I'm dancing in the.
You want to talk about rap? I need to know her. Okay. And then back to the beautiful voice. That's right. Their choreography is really good too. This video is really nice. It's been very pleasing to look at.
With forever, forever,
Here we go.
forever, ever, ever.
Wow, okay. Ooh, harmony. I love her voice in the back. Ooh. Is this a continuum? Whoa. Beat's crazy, okay? Oh my goodness. Everybody. That was insanity, okay? Alright, they did so many switch ups, they sounded amazing. Like, actually amazing. I love that. That goes straight to #1, by the way. Sorry, Stomp. I like that song so much. Like, the rapping, all of it. The harmony parts of it, every bit of that I really enjoyed. Like, really enjoyed. Oh, now I get to see it live. I can't wait to see this live. The video was really pleasing. I love the like the white and black. I like those colors together. They're really nice. And wow, insane. Now we got live. Alright, it looks like it's just an outro. But guys, this song was incredible. I loved it. Please, I do want to react to some more Baby Monster because that was, like I said, incredible. I love that song and I can't wait to hear more from them. So please let me know what I should listen to from them next. And I hope you all enjoyed. I sure did. Please enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Peace.